In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert DWG to JPG or PNG in AutoCAD, whether you're preparing a quick image for a presentation, sharing a snapshot with someone who doesn't use CAD, or posting a detail online. Converting your drawing to a standard image format is fast and reliable once you know where to look. Start by opening the plot or export dialog. The quickest way is to type plot in the command line and press enter. If you prefer menus, you can also go to File and choose Plot. This brings up the central place where AutoCAD controls how your drawing is output. If you're working in a layout with a title block and viewports, that's exactly what the plot dialog will reference. If you're in model space, it will use whatever area you define next. In the printer plotter dropdown, choose the device that matches your goal. To go straight to an image, select Publish to Web, JPG, PNG. This keeps everything in one step and lets you deliver a ready-to-use file. If your workflow involves creating a PDF first, for archiving, markup, or batch processes, choose DWG to PDF PC3 instead. That route is helpful when you want a consistent PDF you might convert later, but today we'll focus on the direct image option. Next, set your paper size. Pick a standard size like A4 or A3 that matches how you want the image framed. Even if you're not printing on physical paper, the paper size defines the canvas the image will use, so choose one that fits the proportions of your drawing. Selecting an appropriate size helps prevent odd cropping or unnecessary empty margins. Under plot area, change the setting to window, then click and drag to define exactly the region you want to export. Take a moment to frame the content carefully. Include all relevant geometry, notes, and borders if needed. If you find the edges tight, cancel the window selection and reselect with a little breathing room so nothing important gets clipped. Finally, choose your output format. If you used Publish to Web JPG PNG, you can pick JPG for a smaller, compressed file that's great for quick sharing, or PNG for crisp, lossless lines that often look cleaner for drawings and diagrams. PNG is typically preferred for sharp edges and minimal artifacts, while JPG can be lighter for email or web use. Give everything a quick review to confirm the chosen device, paper size, and window area look right in the preview. Once you're satisfied, you're ready to export and share your drawing as a clean JPG or PNG.